Here we go. We have a question, print anagram together. So you have given an array of string. We need to return all the groups of string that are anagrams. I hope you are already familiar with the anagram term. The group must be created in order of their appearance in the original array. Suppose look at the sample example for clarification. We got this example, and ACT, then CAT is an anagram, then TAC is also anagram. So these three strings must be in a single group. Then we get a GOD, then DOG. So it contain in a second group, and that this string ACT come first, so we have to put it in the zeroth index. Then we got CAT. So then after the ACT we have to put CAT. So that's how this question, that's what this question says. Now let's try to build the approach. I have taken the third test case. Then in this listen, then silent, and enlist is a anagram. So these three must be in a single group, or you can visualize it as a bucket. So we got a bucket, and in this we got listen, we got silent, we got enlist. Then we got cab. So cab is here. Then we got ABC. So ABC is an anagram of cab. Then we got BAC. BAC is also an anagram of this. Then I think I missed TAR. So TAR will be here in the third group or third bucket. Then we got rat. Then we got art. And we need to return these groups. So now let's try to build the approach. So first of all, how do we determine which string will be in which group? So this is an anagram of this. So why not first let's sort the array. So after sorting, these three will give same result. After sorting, this will give same result, and after sorting, these three will give same result. So this bucket name will be ABC, and after sorting this, these three will give same result. So it will give A, then R, then T. So that's how this will work. Now we know that this is the key, and the corresponding values is here. So isn't it same as map? So in map, what we'll do? So let me write it here. In map, we have this. So this is our key. Then the corresponding value will be list of strings. This is the input values, input strings. Then this is the sorted string. So that's how this will work. Now suppose we got listen. So first of all, we got listen. So listen, uh, our initial map is empty. Then we have to create a key for listen. So let me create a key for listen first. So if I sort listen, I got this string. So this is the sorted, um, this is in sorted order of listen. Then next string we got is silent. So silent, if I sort silent, we got this. So it means it will be in this group. So silent. Next string is cab. So if I sort cab, we got ABC, but ABC is not there. We have to first create ABC and the corresponding list. Then we'll add the value or input string into this bucket. So we got cab. So cab will be here. Next string we got is TAR. So if I have to sort TAR, we got A, then RT. So tar will be in this group or this bucket. Then the next string is nlist. If I sort nlist, we got this value. So it means it will be in this string because we have already created this bucket. Then we got abc. If I sort abc, we got this key. It is already containing some value. We have to add one more string. Then we got bac. Bac will be here. Then we got rat. Rat will be here. Then we got art. Art will be here. Then we got these strings. Then the next string is to just iterate in this. So we have to write a loop for key sets. So first we got this key, or key does not matter, whichever key we got first, that order does not matter. So suppose we got this. So with the corresponding strings, we have these strings. So just add this list, into the answer list, because answer list return value is 2D list. So just add these strings. After that, just add these strings, then these strings. So that's about the approach. Now let's try to find the time complexity. So what's the time complexity? So let me write the code first, then I will tell you the time complexity. So we got map and the corresponding list. So we have a simple for loop. So we got a string. In this we got a string either nlist or abc, and we cannot sort a string as per my knowledge. So we first have to convert into character array. So we have converted into character array A, then sort the character array, then convert the character array into string. So this is the sorted I. This is I. This is sorted I. So if a map does not contain sorted I, means this corresponding key. First of all, input this corresponding key with the value as a list. Then get the list and add the input string. After doing this operation, we have another loop. So this is for answer. We have another loop. We have to iterate in key set. So we got keys. This is the unique keys. Then just add the corresponding list, because map corresponding value is list. So just add the list into the answer list. Just return the answer. Now let's discuss about the time complexity. We go to this. So suppose we got n strings. So we got n. Then we are sorting. So sorting. Now let's take a value as k. So k is the length of a particular string. So we are sorting. So it will be k log k, and we got n. So here we got n k log k, and this is just order of n. So time complexity is, so let me write here, n k log k. Then the space complexity. Suppose we have this list. So in the worst case, it will be nk. Then that's all about this question. So let's find out. And yes, we have met the expected time and space complexity. We have m, we have n square log k. I don't know about this thing, but we have met the expected time and space complexity, and our solution just work fine. So our code is optimal than this expected complexities. The code is provided in the description box. Thank you all for watching this video.